Alright, GM, my people. What's good? How's you guys been doing, man? So today we're gonna do a deep dive into this airdrop on my screen. NEXY AI. Nice name. Alright, so what is NEXY AI? NEXY AI is a DeFi. Literally, like, DeFi means AI-powered decentralized finance. Wow. And it's on the Solana platform. What does it do? It combines AI analysis, wallet insights, and smart agents to enhance trading strategies. Wow. It is part of the analytics suite. That's all it does. As you can see, not a traditional token airdrop yet, but NEXY points are earnable via social engagement, daily pin to interactions, referral rewards, profile optimization, right? So this is just like a chance to earn points with a future airdrop coming. So you are very early on this, guys. You're as early as possible. So you can see these are different things you can do on their website to earn points. Now, as you can see, the timeline, the campaign is still ongoing, no announced dates, nothing. This is still the early stages, you can see. So you got to pack enough points before the thing gets too saturated. All right, so the utility, you can see that the points will end up converting to NEXY tokens. Wow. And then you gain access to premium AI tools and higher feature tiers and everything that so let's get down to it ASAP. Now go to the video description to copy my referral code so we can hop right into it. Now paste the referral code in your browser, hit enter. And this is the airdrop page of NEXY AI. Okay, so you notice here that the only way to log in is with Twitter. You have to have an X account to be able to log into this airdrop. So click on login and you notice it takes us straight to Twitter, right? So make sure your X account is logged in, and that should be it. So you authorize the app and it takes you right back, and you have created an account just like that. Okay, this is your referral code. You can now share this referral code with your friends, to earn together. And then these are all the tasks we would be doing, right? So you can see these are the social tasks, and these social tasks are not really updated every time. So of course you have to be checking back every day to see what's on there. And these are the daily tasks. They show you that every day you have to repeat these tasks. That's like this tweet from NEXY AI, retweet these tweets, comment, different things you can do to earn points, right? So let's go ahead and do all of them. So as you can see here, there are also referral tasks that you can use to, earn more points, right? Invite your first friend, invite 3 friends, you can just rank up the points. Okay, so now this is your referral history. This will hold the list of your referrals, right? And then this is the leaderboard. Let's see how far they've gone. Oh, wow. The first person has 3.05 million NEXY points. I mean, that's sick. That's sick. And then as you notice, these are boosters. And these boosters are based on your followers on X. As you can see, this person has up to 1,000 followers. And that's why the person has 3x boosters. Well, I think there's a place to explain it here. So this is the boosters. The more followers on your X you have, the more NEXY points you earn, right? So this is more like a social analytics website, right? So that's why I'm prioritizing followers here. All right. So the more followers you have, you can see that the second person doesn't have as much followers as the third person, and this gave the third person more boosts, like 1.5 boost as opposed to times 1 boost, right? So that's an advantage if you have more followers. As you can see, this person has more than 1,000 followers, and the person has 3x as boost. Okay, so guys, endeavor to like and subscribe so that in case there's any updates on this airdrop, I will let you guys know. And I'll catch you in the next one.